Maintaining your fixed, non-removable implant-supported denture is vital to its long-term success. Each case is going to be different, so you may have to try a few products until you find the perfect one for your mouth. Right after surgery, your surgeon will instruct you on when to start cleaning under your new appliance. TePe makes a line of extra soft interdental brushes called Gentle Care. These brushes are pastel in color to show you they are extra soft. Once the sutures have been removed and your surgeon has given you the okay, you can use the Gentle Care interdental brushes until the tissues have healed. Once the tissues have healed, use the corresponding color in the TePe Original line or the TePe Angled line to continue cleaning under the appliance. All the interdental brush lines have plastic-coated wires that are safe to use around dental implants. It may take some practice to find where the brushes fit. It is best to use them next to the dental implants. If space allows, you can move the brush along the ridge between the tissue and the appliance. If access allows, you can use the angled line to clean from the tongue or palatal side as well. TePe has a fantastic on-the-go option called Easy Pick that comes in 2 sizes. Both are very flexible and durable. Starting with the smaller orange size, use it between the tissue and the appliance for gingival stimulation and to clean under your appliance when you are on the go. If you have adequate space, the Easy Pick comes in a larger blue size as well. Flossing with tufted floss is an excellent way to clean the appliance, but also reaches the dental implants, cleaning the circumference. This may take time and be difficult at first. With practice, you will learn where the easiest areas for insertion are. Be sure to press the floss against the implant in an exaggerated C shape in order to clean the dental implant effectively. Then use a shoe shining motion with the floss, repeating this technique around each dental implant. The tufted bridge and implant floss can be pre-soaked in a mouth rinse your doctor suggests to help clean under the appliance and around the dental implants. TePe has an array of specialty brushes to clean the fixed, non-removable appliance. The Implant Care brush has a great contra-angled neck that helps to reach the palate or tongue side of the appliance. The Implant Ortho brush has 2 rows of bristles, making it fit those narrow openings where the gum tissue meets the appliance. The Inner Space brush has a screwed-on head and 3 textures. It is great to reach the palatal or tongue side of the appliance. The head can then be screwed off and placed on the opposite side to best reach the area by the cheek. Each person will be different, so finding the product that is best for your mouth is imperative. Let TePe help make your new fixed, non-removable appliance a success by giving you the tools to properly clean at home.